Hey, Mr. Goat, where'd you come from? Whose goat are you? Fred, that's not a doggy. That's not a dog. Who is that, Freddy? Who is that? Hey, Mr. Goat. Hey, Billy. Come here. Hey, where you going? Where you going? This is Dunedin. It's not like we're in Kentucky. This is so weird. Hey, Mr. Goat, where you going? Whose goat are you? Hey, mister. Hey. Is your tail wagging? Hey, buddy. His tail wags when you pet him. Fred, you got a new friend?